Hi guys! So sugod karon mag-reacting ko ni Danny Phantom versus Jake Long, American Dragon Jake Long. So kaning duha nindot gid sila parisan kay mga ulitaw sila na bata na sila yung mga powers. Ang usa kay Ghost Boy ug ang usa kay Dragon Boy. Ang usa kay mahimo ghost, half human, half ghost ug ang usa kay mahimo dragon, half human, half dragon. Nindot kaayo kay si Kwa manggod si Danny Phantom ug si Jake Long. Nindot sila parisan kay ay naman sila sikreto na identities kanang wa nila nabaw-an. I mean wala sa mga tao nabaw-an o mga powerful gid sila. Tanaw na to be. Sugod ta. Or not, so mag nag-away sila sa murag museum ba o sunod murag New York ba nana ba kita ko sa Google.
There! Back where it belongs! Yo! Back to steal something else?
Si Jake din.
Dragging up! You got 3 seconds before the Amdra's gonna show you out. What? Going ghost! I didn't count 3! Want to try something else? I don't want this to drag on. How's this? Oh yeah, I'm the Am Dragon of the NYC, and you Ghost Kid ain't got nothing on me. Eye of the Dragon. Where'd he go? Ready for more? Not a bad trick, G. Anything you can do? I can do better. Guess I was too hot for him. But I'm way cooler. Get out! D to the A to the N N Y. This dragon's got claws and waits to fly. But I'm still better than this other guy. Hey, what? Whoa, 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 whoa! Time's up, pal.
Okay guys, magdadaog gid si Danny Phantom. Wow. Imbes padung ta to ma-defeat si Danny, napilihan napildi man siya ni si Jake napildi man. Ghost bitaw na si Danny, sound bitaw niya pagod, gi-control pod niya. Sige, babush guys.